close your eyes and relax your whole body, especially your neck region. Relax the neck, the back of the neck. Relax your face, your jaws, your tongue. Be in this moment. Concentrate only on yourself inside. Become aware of the changes that are happening in your body with every exercise. With every sound, you're allowing the space to expand inside. Just keep relaxing and allow this to happen. Gently open your eyes. Now we are going to do in sitting position. We are going to do some breathing exercise. We will completely engage all the nerves of our neck and the muscles. So just give your neck a massage like this. Be gentle and just give it a massage so that you're able to open up your neck region from the front and the back. Very nice. Now from here, the first exercise, you will be taking a deep breath in. Watch me first. Please do not do it. Watch carefully. First, deep breath in. As I take the breath in, I allow my head to go back fully and when you do this exercise, this activates your thyroid gland. It balances and activates your thyroid gland. 2, it takes care of your metabolism in the body. 3, it opens up the junctions of your brain, the nerve center behind in your neck. So when you breathe and you open this space, all your blocks, जो suppress किए हुए emotions भी हैं आपके अंदर, when you've been very emotional, you've stored a lot, all those emotions you will be able to release. Give your 100% to this exercise. We will be doing this 2 times. Take a deep breath in. Take your neck back, completely head back like this. Completely expand. Take your tongue out fully. Take your tongue out fully and now do Again, take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in. Take your head back. Expand the whole neck. Take your tongue out and chant. Keep your eyes closed. Allow your neck to relax. Allow the neck to relax from the front and the back. Allow your jaws to relax. Allow your tongue, your lips to relax. Allow the whole passage of your ears to relax. Space is a beautiful connection between your eyes, nose, throat. Just go inside this space between your eyes, nose, throat, in your intestines and check how you feel inside. Become aware. Become completely aware. Yeah. So, yeah. Now, next exercise, open your eyes. Now, watch this first. Always watch it carefully. You have to take a deep breath in and exhale and try to remove the air through the shrunk throat pipe. So, like this. Exhalation, you have to try like the Ujjayi Pranayam. Inhalation is normal. But when you exhale, you see that you've locked your chin inside the chest. Okay, everybody? Take a deep breath in. Can you hear me now? Rasika Ben, my sound is clear? Take a deep breath in. Very nice. Lock your chin in your chest. And now start the Ujjayi. Exhale from, yes, exhale through your throat. Again, take a deep breath in. Again, take a deep breath in. Exhale with your neck locked completely. Bring your chin up, relax. Tap your neck region, your thymus gland. Close your eyes and take a deep breath inside, a very deep breath inside. Exhale and relax your neck, your jaws, your tongue. Focus on relaxing your neck from the front and the back. Focus on the element of space that you're creating with these exercises. Gently open your eyes. Next exercise, you will take in a deep breath. Don't worry about writing the exercises. You will be getting this YouTube recording. It may not be very clear though. I mean, not very professional, but I've tried to manage to record it. So please don't worry that, how will we remember. Take a deep breath in, and as you take the deep breath in, you allow the neck to fall behind. You will lock your lips and chant You can even take the lower lip above the upper lip like this and do it. Ready? Take a deep breath in. Take your head back. Lock your lips there. Very nice. And chant. Again, come back. Take a deep breath in. Again, take your head back. Very nice. And start. Lock your lips and gently come back. Relax your head. Relax your neck. Relax the back of your neck. Keep your eyes closed. Take a deep breath in. Exhale and relax your lips, your jaws, your tongue, your neck. Beautiful. Focus on the space inside your body. Focus on the change that you have created within yourself. You're allowing yourself to be more free of all the baggage of weight, responsibilities, attachments, ego. Gently open your eyes. Now let's go to the last exercise. In this exercise, you will take in a deep breath. Please watch carefully before you go ahead. This works fantastically on your metabolic rate. So people who have diabetes, people who have so many other hormonal problems, all that can be taken care of by this simple exercise. You have to take in a deep breath and then lock your chin into the chest tight, very tight, and then try to swallow your saliva as many number of times as you can. Ready, everybody? Take a deep breath in. Lock your chin into your chest. Completely lock it. And now try to swallow your saliva as much as you can through this locked neck. Yes. Through the locked passage, try to swallow inside. कोशिश कीजिए कि आप अंदर निगल सके. Yes. As many times as you can. And gently come up. One more time. Take a deep breath in. Exhale and lock your whole chin. Yes. Now try to swallow. Try and swallow. Gulp inside your saliva as many times as you can. Keep on trying. Beautiful. Keep trying. Beautiful. Keep trying. Yes, as many number of times as you can. And gently again straighten your neck. Take a deep breath in. Exhale and relax your whole neck region from the front and the back. Relax your jaws, your tongue. You can press it like this and relax it. Press the points beneath your ears. Tap your whole neck region. Give it a gentle massage if you like. Yes. Now gently close your eyes. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Exhale and relax. Now you're going to do chanting with me 10 to 11 times. So first you're going to chant Ah, then O, and then So 3 times we will do Ah. So every time you will breathe in and chant. Whatever we chant, in between there is a pause to take a deep breath. 3 times Ah, 3 times O, and 3 times and then we will go into meditation. Then you will only listen. Take a deep breath in and let's chant. Again, take a deep breath in. Open your whole mouth and Again, take a deep breath in and chant Close your eyes. Take a pause. Focus on the Akash Tattva inside your body. Feel the vibration in every cell of your body. Be completely present in this moment. 100% be in your own body. Be aware. Be awakened. Take a deep breath again. Let's chant O. Again, take a deep breath in. Again, take a deep breath in. Chant. Keep your eyes closed. Just take a pause to experience silence. You have to know what is sound. Space and sound are almost the same. Experience the silence in the vibration of the sound. Again, take a deep breath in and get ready to chant humming. Take a deep breath in and chant Again, take a deep breath in and chant Again, take a deep breath in and chant Keep your eyes closed. Focus inside. इस साइलेंस को सुनने के लिए, इस वाइब्रेशन को महसूस करने के लिए पूरी तरह से अवेयर रहिए. बी कंप्लीटली अवेयर to listen to the power of this silence. This chakra is also about listening. Keep your eyes closed and only listen now when I make the sound of Om. सिर्फ सुनिए. Just allow yourself to listen, to purify your chakra, and make the intention that you will allow your chakra to be purified with this sound. Om. Just relax. Allow this sound to clean your whole throat chakra. आपके पूरे विशुद्धि को पूरी तरह से साफ हो जाने दीजिए. इस चक्र में जितने इम्बैलेंसेस हैं उन्हें बैलेंस होने दीजिए. इस चक्र की खासियत है कि आप बहुत ध्यानपूर्वक सुन पाएंगे. Allow yourself to listen to the बीज mantra of this chakra. Hum.